In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a resume template in Notion. Exporting your resume can be a useful way to create a professional document that you can share with potential employers, and it's incredibly simple to do. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace for Notion. This is where all the magic happens, whether you're organizing your personal life or managing projects. Simply open your web browser and type in the Notion website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the Notion homepage. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your Notion home. Here you'll see all your workspaces and pages neatly organized. Once you're on your Notion home, find and select the resume template that you want to export. If you've already created a resume page or template, it should be visible within your workspace. If not, consider creating a new one or importing a template from Notion's vast collection. Choosing the right template will ensure that your resume is organized effectively and looks professional. When you've opened your resume template, direct your attention to the top right part of the screen. You'll notice a small icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options icon. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for that specific page. It's a handy feature in Notion that allows you to customize and manage your pages in several ways. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on the Export option. This will open another window where you can configure how you want to export your resume. You'll have several formats to choose from, such as PDF, HTML, or Markdown. For most people, PDF is the most convenient option since it's widely accepted and maintains your formatting. Select your preferred format to ensure your document looks the best when printed or shared digitally. After you've chosen your settings, simply click on the Export button to begin the download process. Depending on the size of your document, this might take a few seconds, but once it's done, you'll have a file ready to share or print. Keep your exported resume stored safely on your computer or cloud storage, so it's readily accessible whenever you need it. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully exported a resume template from Notion. Whether it's for job applications or personal archiving, having a digital copy of your resume is an invaluable asset. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on how to make the most of Notion.